Better cooking ahead of Thanksgiving, Instant Pots are going to be firing up to make tasty dishes this holiday season. And our parent company, the Meredith Corporation, did a little research to find out what are some of the top Instant Pot recipes people right in Springfield make. So today, we're making butternut squash risotto. I have to say, this might be the hardest one yet that I'm going to try, but let's give it a go. So I turned the Instant Pot on already. It's on saute. So the first step is going to be to add our olive oil. So we have that measured out right here. It is a tablespoon of olive oil and about half for all of our onions here. Add the onion. And we're gonna let that saute, stirring it occasionally, and let the onions get nice and clear, see-through like. So that might take about 5 minutes. So after about 5 minutes, we let our onions saute, brown them up, get them a little translucent. And the next step is to add half the squash. We're going to throw that in there along with the garlic. And let that saute for another 5 or 10 minutes until your squash gets browned on both sides. Now that we've browned the squash and the onions, we're gonna push it all to the side. One side here, and we're gonna put our rice in on the other side. Mix it together, and then we're gonna let this saute for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now that it's starting to stick to the bottom of the pan, we're going to add in our white wine, which I've already measured out. We're gonna bring that to a boil while scraping the brown bits off the bottom of the pan. And honestly, the wine works really good at that. This is a workout. Our next step is to grab the vegetable broth. We're gonna add 2 cups of that. Carefully put that right in there. Mix it up just a little bit. And then we're basically going to add all of the rest of the ingredients. So let's see here, broth. Red bell peppers, which are already chopped up. Our salt, which we're gonna do a teaspoon of. Hopefully I don't overdo this. There we go. Nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of that. And the rest of the squash. Now we're gonna put this on high pressure, let it build, and it'll take about 5 to 15 minutes. This time around, we're gonna cover that vent with a towel and then let that go off for about 5 minutes. Now that it's been 5 minutes, our timer has gone off, and we're gonna see how I did. And it looks done to me. I've honestly never made risotto, so I'm not positive, but not bad. So we're gonna put it in a bowl here because we're serving it up for our friends here at Western Mass News ahead of Thanksgiving. Garnish it with a little parsley here. The rest in the bowl. And then the best part, Parmesan cheese. Throw that right in there, mix it on in, and you're good to go. You can find out more info and all of the ingredients, everything you need to know at allrecipes.com.